Hey there. All right, today I'm going to do a review on the green Ford Mustang Shelby that I bought for super cheap. You wouldn't believe how cheap it was. So I'll be doing a review, showing some characteristics of it, also a little mock that I did on it too. So if that interests you, it's coming up after this. I'm going to be doing this double camera view here, so I'll be going back and forth. I'm going to do a review on this car right here. I built it yesterday, and it was one of the three that I got for super cheap. It's the Mustang Shelby. I'm not sure the number on it right this minute. I'll post that up on the screen here. But yeah, I did modify it a little bit. It does have one bad part right there on the corner there. I don't know if you can see that on the other camera, but you can see all the yellow pieces here. All those yellow pieces were the ones I had to replace. There was a lot of bad pieces. And there's also a switch on the back. I call it a switch. It's like a little lever to it's wind up. I got it where it's loose right now, somewhat. I'll just real freely. But I converted it into a button where I just pull it up to lock it or push it down to release. So if you want to know how to do that, I'll put that at the end of this video. So it was just a simple conversion. Took about 2 or 3 parts, like pins and stuff like that. Real easy to do. I'll give you a close up, kind of give you an idea of what it looks like there. Kind of see that in there. You can see it through that little spot right there. Just a little yellow 3x and a little connector right there along with this. And then of course 2 pins that hold that into where the thing normally goes. So it's very easy to do. But yeah, other than that, it works great. It turned out really well. I did have to redo the mirrors because it was missing those. So I made them silver. It's like normal mirrors. But yeah, I mean, it's really a cool build. I mean, it's Technic, and the mechanism underneath is really. I think they could have done it a lot easier. Just all this here deals with it. It's got 2. I call them motors, winding motors. What do you call them? This is the lock right here that locks it in. You can see as I push the little button, so it moves all that. And so when you wind it, it locks it in. And then when you push it, it lets it go. And yeah, it involves this green piece here, this here, which can actually be any color, it doesn't show. And there's a piece of rubber there that kind of gives it some springiness. And I don't know what these are there for, but they hold it somewhat. Plies it pretty strong for, because this pulls back pretty far. I made a little video for a friend, and was curious about it. About 10 seconds long, it just takes off like a bat out of hell. So once it's wound up fully. So anyway, yeah, it came out really good. And I love that. I don't really like Technic too much. I'm not much into Technic anymore. I used to be when I was younger. But this one here, I expected it to be like a tiny little thing, but it's pretty much in scale with the rest of them. And it's got a lot of curved plates here. It's got the normal side door here. Most cars have in this type. Fenders, pretty much the same as any other uh, vehicle that they have like these. And the hood is all tiny pieces. It's supposed to be able to open up, but it doesn't really open up that easily. There's not really nothing to see in there. There's no motor in with that. grill right there, and that's it. That's not a good deal. You can see it's totally empty inside there. There's nothing inside. No engine. You could probably build your own little engine to stick in there. Um, it doesn't have steering wheels, so the wheels don't turn. Though you probably convert that because all the room underneath there, you can probably convert pretty easily. But it seems pretty convertible. Well, not convertible, conversionable. Is that a word? So anyway, there are some little loose pieces where the front end kind of just uses gravity to stay down. But it's really, really probably one of my favorite ones. Of course, I'm really into Mustangs. So, but I really like this thing. I mean, I'm gonna put it aside my other two that I have. Part of the mess on my desk. I mean, it isn't a desk unless it's a mess, and that rhymes. A mess desk kind of rhymes. So, um, yeah, my review is pretty short and sweet, very simple. It took me about maybe 2 hours. Actually, it took me longer than that. It would have taken me 2 hours. I would have had all the parts. It took me about 4 hours. I had to sort through all my inventory and have these parts, which I only had in yellow. And so, actually, I think this is actually a new one too. This gray one piece right here. It was supposed to be black. And that one was all chewed up by the dog or whatever that they had. There was some parts I thought I was missing. I did find them. I stuck them on here. That's why I didn't do a speed build, because I wanted to get it all done before I did this. And there's a piece of hair stuck in there. Don't you just love hair when they get stuck in your Lego? So, yeah, I mean, they roll the back wheels roll freely if you have it unlocked. Of course, the front wheels, each wheel rolls together. So it's all one long axle. You can probably hear my dog in the background. So he's kind of watching me right now. Huh. Well, now he wants to come up here and visit me. He's afraid he's going to tip over my light. What? Not? Nope. He wanted to tip over my light. Just a little guy. Yeah, that's. You can hear his little bell on there. That's my review for the Mustang Shelby. So, hope you enjoy it, and like and subscribe. I'm going for 50 subscribers. Once I get that, along with 10,000 views, I'm almost there, total views. And once I get that, I'm going to try to do a live. So I'll probably get 10,000 views before I get to 50. So the way it's going is what it looks like. So once I get 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a live to kind of thank everybody for that. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see how that goes. I've never done live before. Not much different, I assume. So yeah, see you later. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.